Proper nutrition is one of the most important factors in maintaining long-term physical, mental, and emotional health. While exercise builds the stimulus for muscle growth, nutrition provides the building blocks the body needs to repair and strengthen muscles. Protein is essential for muscle development, tissue repair, enzyme function, and overall body maintenance. As a result, many people choose to use protein powder to ensure they meet their daily protein needs, especially when trying to gain muscle. Choosing the right protein powder can make a significant difference in your results, energy levels, and overall health. Poor muscle growth is often caused by inadequate protein intake, inconsistent exercise, stress, lack of sleep, poor hydration, and lifestyle habits such as smoking or excessive alcohol use. A diet lacking in high-quality protein limits the body's ability to repair muscles after workouts. Additionally, chronic stress and sleep deprivation elevate cortisol levels, a hormone that breaks down muscle tissue. Therefore, selecting the right protein source and maintaining balanced nutrition is key to effective muscle development. When the body consistently receives insufficient nutrients, several health conditions may arise. These include obesity from poor dietary balance, diabetes from excessive processed foods and sugars, hypertension from poor cardiovascular conditioning, and mental health disorders such as anxiety and depression, which can worsen when the body lacks essential nutrients. Muscle weakness and fatigue are also early signs of protein deficiency, which may progress to more severe health challenges if left untreated. Common symptoms that may indicate a lack of protein or insufficient recovery include persistent fatigue, slow muscle growth despite training, muscle soreness lasting longer than usual, thinning hair or brittle nails, frequent illness due to a weakened immune system, unexplained weight changes, low energy during workouts. Best choice for muscle gain. Whey protein or whey isolate is generally considered the best for building muscle due to its fast absorption and high essential amino acid content, specifically leucine, which directly triggers muscle protein synthesis. If you are vegan, pea protein is the strongest alternative. Take 20 to 30 grams of protein powder per serving. Consume protein 30 to 60 minutes after exercise to support muscle repair. Combine protein intake with strength training for best results. Eat whole foods like eggs, chicken, fish, beans, and tofu along with shakes. To support muscle growth daily, eat balanced meals containing protein, complex carbs, and healthy fats. Drink enough water, 2 to 3 liters per day depending on activity. Get 7 to 9 hours of sleep, as recovery happens during rest. Manage stress with breathing exercises or light stretching. Schedule regular physical checkups and track progress. Protein supplementation became mainstream in the 1950s and 1960s, especially in bodybuilding communities. Modern research confirms that protein timing, leucine intake, and progressive strength training are scientifically linked to muscle growth. Ignoring recovery, nutrition, and protein intake can lead to muscle loss, fatigue, weak immune system, poor workout performance, higher risk of chronic diseases. Protein powders are helpful tools, but they are supplements, not replacements for real food. Prioritize balanced meals, hydration, sleep, and consistent exercise. If you are unsure about your nutritional needs, consult a healthcare professional or registered dietitian. This content is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always consult a licensed professional for personalized guidance.